Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So what's going on? Today video is be very important for all Dogecoin holder because Dogecoin result is going to be very good now, my friend. And I am so happy, very excited because my brother, and this is the 1st October. This is the 2nd October now, my friend. In the start of month, this coin will pumps up like that. So I'm 100% sure, my friends, to in October they will make us millionaire now. So please, holder, you will need to watch this completely because we are also telling you something very secret and very informative. So information about my friends this coin. So what CEO says, my friend, to upcoming time, what they will do, my friend, and what's the team are doing. So let's get start everything with complete, but please one thing I want to tell you: to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. All right, thank you so much, my brother. This time the USD price, the Kurdish coin price in USD, you can see 0.219005 USD dollar. That's mean, my friend, to the price will starting again increasing. But definitely, my friend, the price will fails down from 0.7 USD dollar to 0.2 USD dollar. So it's a very bad fails, but don't worry, my friend. I'm 100% sure to upcoming time they will again starting pumping. My brother, as you can see here, this time 9% profit, 9% the price is increased. So definitely it's a really good news, my friend. And this time absolutely the price will pumping up. So I am 100% sure, my friends, to upcoming time also the price will more pumping up. But definitely after a dump every coin will pumps up. So Dogecoin is also do like that. And when and my friends, Dogecoin will pumping so definitely the team is doing very hard work, and especially holder are starting holding. So therefore the price will increase. If a holder are starting holding, so definitely the price will pumping up, the price is increasing. But in a holder, when a holder are starting selling, so remember to the coin is completely going the garbage and they cannot moving upward. So I just my friends tell you to please don't starting selling, hold it. I am 100% sure, my friends, so they will make you a millionaire now at the end of month. See you next time. Please like video and subscribe this channel.